this side is storage.
This other side is a
We are going to put other structure. One of these structures here. Yeah.
Then the other side is just, the entrance is from the other side. But then this other side is a storage structure. No, only one floor.
Only one floor.
Okay.
Ola council all Kikakwen.
Council hall is right there. You can take like how many people?
Let me see.
About 320. About 320 people?
Yeah. No. Maybe 100.
Can you take 300?
No.
It's big enough. It's big enough.
Big enough.
Kara council no pay at Ketodano Beroba. That parliament and read there.
Read it down.
You have a gallery.
So gallery is half, huh?
Yeah. You have a gallery. Of course, the open parliament, you not paying any.
No.
Yeah, there's a gallery where I got your meeting.
So I wanted to tell you, I want information.
That's right.
Your Mortia inciting, no?
Workers.
May I just striking.
And mostly, those kind of workers always we pay them off and send them away. That is true. So you can see excavation is now almost at the... Actually, this place is now ready for final inspection. Okay. And then we shall start blinding. Okay. We shall start blinding the column bases first. After blinding the column bases, then we plant the column. After planting the column, then now we pour the foundation concrete and then start the brickwork. Okay. Yeah. So you can see, this is the palace.
So, my palace then?
This one? The palace.
Everything is with me.
So you open the palace plan. No, that one is not palace. That is the administration block. Of this palace plan? Yes, that's the palace. Yeah, you can see the number of rooms.
The compound?
Yeah, this is a family lounge. This is an office. These are rooms now. 1, 2, 3. That is the main suite for the Wanyaki. That's where he's supposed to sleep. Then this is the kitchen, the pantry. This is another room 1, room 2. This is the walk-in gate. Yeah, actually the whole of this side is for Wanyaki. Then other bedrooms are this end. Yes. No, this is the roof plan. It's written already. You see,
that's the roof plan.
That's the roof plan.
Okay.
Yes.
Okay.
Yeah.
Yes.
I just ordered. I thought that, but it's okay. It's all the same. Yeah.
Are you sure the Sororo factory
No. Under payment.
But then a man tomorrow give you Mana Kuba Polity Mora Kawiba, I yell again.
PM because they are the employers. Once it is approved by the consultant, then we start concrete works. Otherwise, right now, Ginotio Timo will get to the steel waxing process. The steel bases, we are cutting them, and the column starter bars. So that once the other mix is confirmed, adote binu chako blinding work, planting the columns.
So tamani manu kita titi wakane ramutumo ko kita me project duration tiam.
Yeah, it will be within the project timelines. Kikani now gina galawano no kinyo. This is a natural break time for festivity period. You cannot defy it. So workers will break off for Christmas. And others will come even on the 28th to commence work. Others may come in the new year. So, and we hope by end of Feb, all the slabs for the two structures, no tomorrow.
When should now expect the palace?
The palace should be expected in 2027, June, provided the cash flow by the government has not been done.
Akiritima uki birna ngunu. Obino kuna contractor umiwangech ku verekere medna no tunu kan. Obino me pimuping
Yen ching cha wano bin no put do chaka jama chaka. Bala ni na chela rio. Apati luero ping amono ti mere chuchon. Ento tina do duogo yung chabira chelli. No loka pol. Adao mi chunywa tek ni gina yam ko ni gero palace nyu abila melani kardo tiati mere.
Foundation no ti do agora nyim jamelong kita me wano ti omuto kede. Projection tiene by 2027. Tutu de ma biel kanu. No kanchil do chako bedo kwa yoti. No rado administration dishu me takwarwa. No do ti do yoti. So wano ti geni gina me wan me rutim machalo la pira trek kubero lego wa. Pero legi joni tiek tichi kwa ber. O legi go choro pedongole ye. I was at the office of the Prime Minister on Wednesday, and gino team assuring one funding my palace niene chiente meretia site. Ame funding ere pay a chot.
Ya yom tin no progress tia ame nani wang ya du tia wata ber engineer adon ko mere pe wana do ko wa pe tia wata ber kai por kere kito ma bino kanata no ruburu potie
ya yom mi gamende tia gera bila lao ame yusa moduri bi won nyasi melao ame riro kwao pot kometie.
Thank you for watching Lango News channel. Please subscribe for more updates.